Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to fix App Store cannot connect error. The first and foremost thing that you can do is swipe down for your quick access toolbar and try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data networks to see if that solves the problem. Also try toggling airplane mode on and off, as sometimes that resets some network problems. The second thing that you can try and do is force close the app and reopen it to see if that helps. The other thing that you can do is head over to the settings on your device, scroll down to find General, scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap on Reset, and then hit Reset Network Settings. If that does not work, then reset all settings and then try again. The other thing that you can do on your device is head back over to Settings, tap on your profile, scroll down, hit Sign Out, and then log back into your account and try again. If all else fails, continuously press the power button for 30 seconds to reboot your iPhone and then try again. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.